crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, killing this one slide. Don't you want?
Hey y'all, it's SABRINAMONROEE back at it again with another slay. If you want to know how I got this bomb ass color, stay tuned. All the products used in this video will be listed in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let's get right into this slay. We're going to be using 3 bottles of Adore Titanium, Matrix Keep Me Vivid shampoo and conditioner, Shimmer Lights conditioner. You could use the shampoo, but I just use what I had at the moment. You know, you got to work with what you got. And of course, you're going to need a big enough container to fully submerge your bundles or your wig. I'm going to be using a 20-inch Body Wave transparent 13x6 frontal unit from my hair extension line, Melanated Crowns. If you guys are interested in purchasing, check out my description box where you will find my Instagram and my booking website. I always like to go ahead and shampoo the hair before coloring because sometimes the hair has chemicals which makes the coloring process harder than it needs to be. And this is just me right here washing the wig, and as you guys can see, I'm going up and down, up and down. You never want to scrub your wigs like you're washing your real hair. That's how you get your wigs tangled. Up and down, ladies, up and down. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that out. Same exact process. Here, I'm adding the Shimmer Lights conditioner to the water. I went ahead and I put some hot water in that bottle, shook it around, and now I'm mixing it up. Whether I use the shampoo or the conditioner, I like to do it this way because sometimes when you put the Shimmer Lights directly on that blonde hair, you get a big purple patch, and we don't want that. This is the same process as the watercolor method. You want to make sure all the hair is submerged under the water. Let's get into the fun part. So I'm adding in the 2 bottles of Adore Titanium. Of course, you guys know hot water. There are so many watercolor method videos on YouTube. I'm sure you guys know how this process works. So I'm not gonna talk your ears off. Just watch me slay. this is when I noticed something ain't right. But it's cool because it happens to the best of us. Sometimes when doing watercolor, the hair may turn out darker than you would like. Right here, this color is way darker than I would have wanted. But it's alright because I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So I'm going to be using dishwashing liquid. Yes, dish soap. So you want to go ahead and do the same method as the watercolor. Fill that container up with hot water and add the dishwashing liquid. So as you guys could see, the water is clear right now. You want to go ahead and submerge the hair into the water, and you want to let that sit for about 3 minutes. As you're doing this, you could literally see the color being removed into the water. I did this for about 3 times until I got to my desired color. You could do this however many times you see fit. So I'm washing the hair with Matrix Color Safe shampoo. I got this set from Beauty Expert for about $38. When I tell you, this shampoo and conditioner is bomb for color treated hair. Going to work in that conditioner to make sure all the hair is coated. I'm going to be finishing off with silicone mix bamboo. Since I went ahead and washed this wig with the dish soap, that was very damaging, so I'm going to restore that moisture. I'm making sure all the hair is detangled and that product is evenly distributed. Then I'm going to let it deep condition for about 10 minutes. If you made it to the end, thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my next video for the styling of this unit. Don't forget to hit that noti bell and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at sabrina.monroe.